Problem 17A says Martina sold 8 spirit shirts for a team's fundraiser. She sold each shirt for $9, including tax. She also sold $28 worth of lanyards. Which equation represents A, the total amount of money Martina made with the sale of these items? We're going to start by circling our question mark and then go back, find my question word. Which equation represents A? So again, they're trying to trick us, trying to fool us by telling us they're looking for a letter, but remember that letter stands for something. A actually means the total amount of money that she made. Total amount of money that she made. That's what they want to figure out. How is she making this money? How is Martina making the money for this fundraiser? Alexa.
She's selling shirts.
They're selling shirts. So let's see. Martina sold 8 spirit shirts, selling the shirts for a team's fundraiser. She sold each shirt for $9. Okay. They use the word here, each. We've talked about words like that before when we see them in math problems. We see words like each and every and per and equal amounts. What operations should I start thinking of? Noah?
Division and multiplication.
Okay, so I'm going to write a little note here for myself. Multiplication and division. She also sold $28 of lanyards. So it's not just the shirts she was selling. Also sold $28 worth of lanyards. So let's think about what's happening. She's selling these shirts. How much money does she make when she sells one shirt? How much was she selling them for? Alexa?
$9.
$9. Did she only sell one shirt? No, she's selling multiple shirts. So she's going to sell more and more and more shirts. How many shirts did she end up selling for the fundraiser? Kylie?
Oh.
28.
28 shirts?
8.
8.
Sorry.
Okay. So 8 shirts. Okay. As she's selling these shirts, is she going to get more money or is she going to get less money? What, Nakai?
My internet line connect.
Haley?
She's gonna get more and more money.
Okay. So what operation should I use? Multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. I'm going to need 9 times... Oh, sorry, not 9 times 9. 9 times 8. But they did tell us that that's not the only thing she sold. She was also selling lanyards. How much money did she make from the lanyards? Violet, how much money did she make from the lanyards?
28.
$28. So she had this, and she also had 28 more dollars. Right now, these two things are separate. Violet, what could I do in math? What's an operation I could use that would take these numbers and put them together?
Multiplication.
I could use multiplication if I had the same numbers over and over again. I have 9, I have 8, and I have 28. So since these aren't the same numbers, I can't use multiplication, but what else will take numbers and put them together?
Addition.
Addition. So I'm going to have to take the shirt money, 9 times 8, and add that together with the $28 she got from her lanyards. 9 times 8 plus 28. Take a look at these answer choices. 8 plus 9 plus 28. Well, they've got the plus 28 part right, but it wasn't 8 plus 9. It was 8 times 9. Try B. 8 plus 9 times 28. Got the numbers right, but they've mixed up the operations. It's supposed to be 8 times 9 plus 28. This one they put 8 plus 9 times 28. They've mixed up my operations. C. 8 times 9 plus 28. Remember, with multiplication, doesn't matter which way you write it. Whether it's 8 times 9 or 9 times 8, it's the same thing. Got that. Plus 28. Got that. So that looks pretty good. D says 8 plus 9 minus 28. They've got the right numbers, but again, they're messed up. They've messed up the operations. Instead of multiplying the 8 and the 9, they tried adding them. And then afterwards, instead of adding the other money she got, they tried to subtract it, like if she lost it or spent it. So our answer should be C. 8 times 9 plus 8. Let's go ahead and do 17B as well. Dylan bought 3 cheese sticks every day for 4 days. Each cheese stick cost $2. Which equation represents C, the total cost of the cheese sticks Dylan bought during the 4 days? I'm going to start off again, like I always do, finding my question mark, going backwards, finding the question word. Which equation represents C, the total cost of the cheese sticks Dylan bought during the 4 days? So we're looking for C. What is C? It is the total cost of the cheese sticks. Okay, so Dylan's buying all these snacks and they want to know how much money is he spending on the snacks? How much money is it going to cost him? Dylan bought 3 cheese sticks every day for 4 days. There's that word again, every. The words every, each, per, equal amount. What 2 operations should I start to think of when I see words like that in my math problem? Haley?
No, multiplication and division.
Multiplication and division. So he's buying them every day for 4 days. Each cheese stick costs $2. There's There's another one of those words. Each. Telling me again, multiply or divide. Costs $2. Okay. So let's see what's going on here. He's going and he's buying these snacks, right? Cheese sticks. Every day, they told us he's buying how many? How many cheese sticks is he buying just in one day? Nakai?
What was the question again?
How many cheese sticks is he buying in one day? That every day he's buying how many?
In one day, he's buying 3.
Okay, so 3. But he's not just buying them one day. He's buying them multiple days. How many days is he buying these cheese sticks? Not just one day, but how many? How many, Chase? Four. Okay. So if he keeps buying cheese sticks and he's going to buy more and more and more, who can tell me, is the amount of money he's spending, is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Violet, what do you think? Up or down?
Down.
It's going to go down when he keeps buying more and more?
Yes.
So when you go to the store, Violet, if you keep putting items on the register, do you have to pay less money?
You have to pay more money.
You have to pay more money. So if he's going to keep buying the cheese sticks more and more and more, he's going to have to pay more and more and more, right?
I thought you meant like how much money he's spending.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. How much money he's spending. He's going to have less money because he's going to keep spending more and more. So Violet, which one of my operations is going to help me make my numbers bigger? Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply. So we'd have to multiply 3 times 4. That tells me how many cheese sticks he's buying. But they want to know about the cost, too. Every time he's buying a cheese stick, how much money was it? Jadine.
It's 12.
It's $12 for each cheese stick?
No.
I was going to say those are very expensive. They better be fancy cheese.
It costs $2.
$2. Okay. So every time he buys one, $2, then $2, then $2. So he keeps on spending $2, $2. What's going to keep happening to that price? Is it going to keep going up or is it going to go down? Haley?
Going up.
It's going up again. So they use that word each again. What operation should I use this time? Should it be multiply or divide, Kaylee? What do you think? If he keeps buying it and every single time it's 2 and 2 and 2, should I multiply or should I divide? What would you use, Kaylee? If your number was getting bigger, they were using the word each, what operation would you choose?
Multiplication.
Multiply. So we're going to have to multiply again, this time by 2. So whatever answer choice I pick should only use multiplication. F says 3 plus 4 plus 2. They're trying to make the number bigger, which is what we should do, but they're using the wrong operation. G says 3 plus 4 minus 2. They got the right numbers, but definitely not subtraction. That price is not going to go down. I wish it worked that way. It'd be great to go grocery shopping and every time you scan something else, the price goes down. That'd be wonderful. H. 3 plus 4 times 2. We're getting close there, but not what we want. J. 3 times 4 times 2. This is what I wanted. My answer should be J.